Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Turn on Show/Hide to reveal spaces and non-breaking spaces. Click the paragraph mark button to see gaps clearly. Scroll the document and inspect runs of unexpected white space visually. Open Find and replace with Ctrl+H to fix repeated spaces quickly. Enter 2 spaces in Find and 1 space in Replace and click Replace All repeatedly until 0 replacements occur. Then search for non-breaking spaces using S and replace them with a normal space to restore regular word breaks. Justified alignment can widen word spacing in long lines, so inspect affected paragraphs. Enable automatic hyphenation via layout to reduce oversized gaps between words. Select the paragraph and test left alignment to compare spacing behavior. Open Font Advanced Settings and turn off expanded or condensed spacing to prevent character-level gaps. Also disable automatic kerning for small font sizes when spacing looks odd. Finally, select the paragraph, open Paragraph Settings, and set line and page breaks options consistently to avoid layout shifts. Use Find with wildcards or the W token to target multiple whitespace patterns. In Advanced Search, check Use wildcards and search for 2 to find repeated spaces when needed. Replace tabs, T, and non-breaking hyphens with normal characters using Replace All carefully. Use Ctrl+A then Ctrl+Shift+N to reset to normal style when inconsistent spacing appears. Update and apply a paragraph style to enforce spacing rules across the document. Save a copy before bulk changes to preserve original formatting if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.